Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the channel where we explore some of the most unique, creative, and futuristic rides from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, so you never miss our latest updates. Today, we're diving into something that's small, smart, and seriously eye-catching, the Green RV Camper Tricycle. Imagine combining the eco-friendliness of a tricycle, the charm of a camper, and the practicality of an RV, all packed into one compact ride. That's exactly what this Green RV Camper Tricycle delivers. It's not just transportation, it's a lifestyle on wheels, perfectly tailored for those who love freedom, minimalism, and adventure. The first thing that grabs your attention is the color. The bright, refreshing green makes this tricycle look lively and adventurous. It blends perfectly with outdoor scenery, making it an ideal vehicle for camping trips, nature explorations, or even city cruising. It's more than just a camper, it's a moving piece of art that stands out everywhere it goes. Now, let's talk design. Unlike a regular tricycle, this one comes with an extended frame to support a mini RV setup. The back portion is built like a tiny home, compact but surprisingly functional. You'll find enough space to rest, sleep, and even store your essentials. The design emphasizes lightness and practicality, ensuring it can be pedaled or powered without feeling like you're dragging a huge load behind you. Inside, the camper section is minimal yet smartly arranged. There's a foldable bed that doubles as a seating area during the day, compact storage spaces for your gear, and a small cooking section for simple meals. It's perfect for solo travelers or adventurous couples who want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and experience life at their own pace. One of the most impressive features of this tricycle is its eco-friendly design. It encourages slow travel, reducing your carbon footprint while giving you the chance to truly enjoy your surroundings. Whether you're pedaling manually or using a small electric assist, the Green RV Camper Tricycle proves that adventure doesn't always need a gas-guzzling vehicle. It's about the journey, not just the destination. Let's imagine taking this out on a road trip. You pedal down a scenic trail, park near a river, and within minutes, you've transformed your tricycle into a cozy resting spot. The green exterior blends with the trees around you, giving you a sense of harmony with nature. Unlike bigger RVs, this tricycle can take you into places where cars and trucks can't go, opening up more opportunities for off-the-beaten-path experiences. Practicality also comes into play. Because of its compact size, it's easy to park, maneuver, and store. You don't need special parking lots or wide roads. Whether you're in the middle of a busy town or tucked away in a quiet forest, this tricycle adapts beautifully to your surroundings. Now, let's touch on comfort. Of course, you can't compare it to a full-sized motorhome, but that's not the point. The Green RV Camper Tricycle is built for minimalists, those who believe that less is more. It's about embracing a simple lifestyle, focusing on experiences rather than material possessions. And honestly, there's something freeing about traveling light, knowing you have everything you need in such a compact space. The green color also plays a psychological role. Green is often associated with freshness, calmness, and renewal. Riding in a green tricycle camper gives you the feeling of being closer to nature, reminding you to slow down and enjoy the little things in life. It's not just a ride, it's a moving reminder to live mindfully. For urban explorers, this tricycle is equally fascinating. Imagine cycling through city streets with your own mini camper at the back. You're not only turning heads, but you also have your personal mobile hangout spot wherever you go. Need a break from work or just want to relax? Park your tricycle, step inside, and you've got your own private corner right there. Another thing worth mentioning is its appeal to DIY enthusiasts. Many of these RV tricycles are custom built, meaning you can modify, personalize, and upgrade them to match your style. Want solar panels on top? Add them. Need extra storage compartments? Build them. It's a blank canvas for creativity, and the green exterior makes it even more customizable and fun. Let's be honest, traveling in a Green RV Camper Tricycle isn't about speed or luxury. It's about embracing a slower pace, enjoying your independence, and exploring the world in a more personal and sustainable way. It's perfect for weekend adventures, camping trips, festivals, or even as an everyday alternative lifestyle. So, Whether you're a traveler, a minimalist, a nature lover, or just someone who enjoys unique vehicles, the Green RV Camper Tricycle offers something truly special. It's more than transportation, it's freedom on 3 wheels, wrapped in an eco-friendly and adventurous design. That's all for today's episode of AutoBuzz TV. If you enjoyed this look at the Green RV Camper Tricycle, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments, would you take this tricycle out on an adventure? And don't forget, if you love discovering unusual and innovative rides like this, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, only here on AutoBuzz TV.